Hello. Good afternoon, good evening, guys. How you doing? My name is Alexandra, creator and founder of the Stress Stories Lifestyle Agency. In this week presentation, I will be sharing with you what opportunity I've been using to make an extra $1,000 or more every single week with little to no experience. I won't keep this presentation long. I'm gonna go as fast as possible to keep you to not waste your time and not keep you waiting. A little bit about me. My name is Alexandra. I'm 33 years young, mother of three kids, which are my reason for doing what I do. Just like you, I was looking for ways to make extra money online, but couldn't find the right opportunity. I joined opportunities left and right throughout the years, but none of them were fulfilling. What I was looking for was time freedom, financial freedom. I was stressed, unhappy, so I know something had to change for me. After 5 years of trial and errors, I finally found a way to fill the void I was looking for and give me the freedom I so long ago was starving. With barely any major investment to get started, I now have the potential to earn as much as I want. And for me, it's beyond belief. This opportunity allowed me to walk away from my job and enjoy time with my kids and be there for me. Especially, I'm not sure when you're watching this video, especially with this quarantine and the virtual learning, I'm able to stay home with them, to be able to be there for them, to be present when they need time to do homework and all that. And I also this opportunity allow me as well to create my own brand, which is Stress Toward Lifestyle Agency, and help others start their own business and do the same thing I'm doing, which is get financial freedom. You might be asking yourself what this opportunity is about. The That's my main and butter. I do other stuff because I'm an advocate of multiple stream of income. But this opportunity right I'm about to explain to you is my bread and butter. That's why I bring me my most money. That's why I make my most money from. And it's called is drop shipping and reselling. A lot of people confuse the two. They think both is the same thing, and that's why I'm gonna make the different break it down for you so you can understand exactly what it is first. What is the difference between drop shipping and reselling? Drop shipping is when you're selling a product without having to hold the actual inventory. You market the product, you make the sale, you use the money that the customer pay you to purchase the item, and you have it shipped directly to the customer. For example, you might be having an item in you selling, and you don't have it with you. So you might use a platform that have it. Let's say you get it from Walmart, you get it from Amazon, and then when the person purchase, either if you have a website, they purchase from your website, or if you just using social media to sell, and once they pay you, you have the fund, you use the same funds they give you, you order from that website you getting it from. And instead of shipping it to yourself, it's just like when you're buying online. Instead of shipping it to yourself, you will be using the person address as the shipping information. As for reselling, you order the product either in bulk or you single it out. If you order like three or four of them, or you order a whole pallet at wholesale prices, and then when you make a sale, you ship it to the customer yourself, and you calculate your profit, your shipping fees, you do all that on the 9 yards. That's reselling. And as with everything we know, they come with pros and cons, and the pros and cons between the two. With drop shipping, where you don't have to hold the actual inventory at hand, you save on shipping. You have no idea what the company you're using to send the product is sending the customer, and you have no proof if the customer might be lying. If they file a claim saying they received the wrong item or they did not receive it, you have no idea exactly what's going on when you drop shipping. And sometimes um you save on shipping time when you drop shipping. You might take longer, especially like not saving, you take it longer because depending on where you're getting the product. Let's say you're using product from China using AliExpress and all those type of like drop shippers, it might take longer for the shipping. But as for the reselling, you have the product with you and you are able to brand on the product. You can use your own thank you card. You have your own business card that you can put in the box that you're sending it. It kind of look more personalized and with like a simple touch, and you know exactly what you're sending to the customer, because if they file a claim, you know exactly what you sent to them. They cannot say you did not send this, you did not send that, they did not get it. If you give them a tracking number and then it says it was delivered, you know exactly what was sent to them. And also it's faster shipping, because when you have the item on end, depending on the weight of the item, you can send it to priority mail, or you can send it like with first class. It will take up to 5 business days for them to get the item. And also you can take pics to list on different platform, and you say and have shipping fees, and you have to pay for shipping yourself. Especially I also say to give them free shipping. So you're gonna have to incorporate the shipping price in your prices. So with selling, with selling and shipping, you have to take all those things on hand. You might be asking yourself if you can really make money with this opportunity. Yes, you can make money with this opportunity. And if you, I'm not sure exactly if you where you're watching this from, while you're there. If you're watching this video on YouTube, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. I know I haven't been in a while, but I'm getting back to YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook, feel free to like and comment and share to your friends. You might not be interested in the opportunity, but your friends might be. Feel free to share, and I appreciate it. And yes, you can make money with this opportunity. That's why we have like 2 training groups to help people get result with this opportunity. We have training, we have support in our group, and we take you every step of the way. If there's something you don't understand, feel we have a way that you can just post on the wall, and then even though it's not the admin that answer to you, any one of us can answer it to you. We have over almost 2,000 people in the group. That's why we keep it small, so we don't just allow anybody. You have to be serious, you have to be a go-getter, you have to be want to do this for us to approve you. And also, that's the biggest question people been asking me: is this business model legal? Yes, it is legal. The reason I say it's legal because all major companies that you buy from, they use the same model. Walmart, Target, Publix, Sears, wherever you buy from, whatever that you purchase from, even if it's online, you shop online or traditional stores, that's the same model they use. They purchase the item from somewhere, and then they put it in their store, and they make a profit by sending it to you. They use the same model. It just you just using the same method that they're using, and you just selling it for yourself. You make extra money for yourself and your family. You have nothing to worry about. It's not something that you're doing something on this, like on the side. You're scared that you're gonna get chased by the IRS, or get your tax taken away. No, you have nothing to worry about. It's a legal business. Pretty much everybody's doing it. You just have to get your piece of the pie as well yourself. And also we have some testimonial, and that's myself. That was my when I made my first $1,000 day. That was excited. And also there's also other people in the group that's making getting result. This is one of our friends. She made $5,000 in for the month. Even it's a 60-day total. That's how eBay calculated, but she made that in like one whole month. And I could also share with you other people that's in the group, but I don't want to keep this video too long. You can also if you have any question, you can message me and we can talk more about it. If you have some reservation, you want to know more about the opportunity, you can just message me. If you're on Facebook, you just message me on Messenger. If you're on YouTube, you can just comment below and ask me the question that you want to ask me, and I will be glad to answer you. And also, you can go on my profile. I'll be adding my phone number if you want to call me and ask me. If you want basically hear my voice, even though you hear my voice right now, if you want to hear my voice, ask more questions more directly, I will be putting my phone number as well. If you're on Facebook, my phone number will be on my profile. You can just message me. And you're asking also how much is it to get started. Though right now it is $95 to get started instead of $150. Soon we'll be raising the price in our group to get started. That's the reason like we making it right now. And sometime I be having myself personally, I be having some type of sales. I'm not sure when you're watching a video, I be having sales on the major holidays like Halloween, um, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, Valentine, when Labor Day, 4th of July, and yeah, those major holidays. I be Easter as well. I be having like some sale. You might be like for $50. You just have to message me and ask me how much it is, like for when you want to get started. And or you can just go to the website, and when you click on the pay button, it will tell you exactly how it is. But right now it's $95. Don't delay because the price is getting higher. I'm not sure when you're watching this video if it's still going to be $95. If you wait too long, it might be 150, it might be 200, it might be even get higher. And you also might be asking yourself, what you paying for? You paying to start your own business, to create an extra income for yourself and your family, get access to a lot of vendors that was placed in the group for you, because I know there's some people out there that are just selling vendors. We don't do that. We have a training group. There's a list of vendors. We have a list of almost 300 vendors in there. You just gonna go ahead and get in there, choose the vendor that you want. We're not gonna tell you that's who you have to go with and everything. The list is gonna be right there. Once you sign up with us, we'll put you in the group under the announcement. The list of vendors is going to be there with their information. You just choose the item that you want to sell. You contact the vendor and you get started right away. We have like over 18 units of training for you to go through. You will go at your own pace to get started. And fears, you might have those because I had them myself. You might be scared that you won't be successful, and that's where we come in. If you have something you're confused about, you just let us know, and then we can go with you. If you follow the blueprint we have for you in the group, there's most likely you'll be successful. But we always put a disclaimer: results are not typical. Your success only depends on your ability to do the work. If you follow the training, you go to the training, we do what we tell you to do. You follow the step that we have aligned for you, like just like us in the group, you most likely will get result and be successful at it. And what will you get once you sign up with us? You get access to our private training videos, marketing strategy to promote your business. You get access to our closing exclusive Facebook groups. You get 24/7 support from me and other leaders who actually know what they're doing. You learn the exact blueprint that the six-figure earner used to maximum their result in the group. A team that treats you like family, who know what teamwork is about. There's no competition. If you're in the group, we just know, like, we don't have to compete. Like, if you ask for help, and then we'll be like, we're not gonna help them, or we're gonna help her so they don't make all these sales and we're not making money. No. Once you're in the group, we are one team. When you get results, we get results. So when you're successful, we're successful. So we most likely are here to help you. And by signing up with me, what you get? You get the exact strategy that I use personally, even though I follow the training to get results, but you get the exact strategy that I use to promote my business. Because even though there's a training, there's some extra stuff I might be doing to get me more results. I will share those tips with you. I will share with you what I'm doing and to get result as well. And are you ready for a change? Are you a go-getter? Are you coachable? Are you serious to give your bank account a makeover? Are you serious to get started? Are you tired of the way things are for you right now? So if you answer yes to any of those questions, feel free to go to my website at bit.ly that Alex Reseller Biz, or message me either on Facebook or comment below with the word I'm ready to change or ready to roll. And you have to be ready. Like, if you know, yes, there's an investment. Like I said, it's $95 to get started. If you know you're not ready to make the investment to give yourself a better life, make sure you take the time to save before you message me, because once you message me and you say ready to roll, you ready for a change, I will expect that you are actually ready and not just telling me that And because I'm very busy, I'm a mom of three, I have a lot of things going on. So when you message me, I will expect you to get ready, and I will take you to the step to get started, to explain to you exactly how it works. But if you know yourself you're not ready, or you're not intended to get started, do now. I don't want to waste your time, or I don't want to waste my time. So that's what I'm saying. If you're ready to get started, go to the website that you see below right here, bit.ly Alex Reseller Biz, or message me and I will like send you the website myself so you can go ahead and get started. I thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation, and I will see you on the inside. You have a good evening.